Hi boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's class, we want to write a C program. This C program should find the greatest number of the three numbers. Okay, the program should find the greatest number of the three numbers. So it means what? You need three numbers from the user. If you need three numbers from the user, you are supposed to declare how many variables? You are supposed to declare three variables. Okay, the first variable is going to store the first number, the second variable is going to store the second number, and the third variable is going to store the third number. Now you are supposed to compare these three numbers. Okay, if you compare these three numbers, then only you can find out the greatest number. So we are going to make use of the what? Of the branching statements again. You see the importance of the branching statements. That's why I said you should be clear with the flow of control statements. Okay, so I'm going to write the program. Hash include stdio.h int main. Okay, so here you are supposed to declare how many variables? Three variables. Int a, comma b, comma c, semicolon. Okay, now you are supposed to take these things. So printf, enter the three numbers. You are supposed to enter the three numbers. Okay, use the scanf function to take these three numbers. Percentage d, percentage d. Okay, this is ampersand a, this is ampersand b, this is ampersand c, this is over. And now what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to compare these these three variables. If a is greater than b and if a is greater than c, okay, which means what? Printf percentage d is the greatest number. What is this percentage d? Is nothing but a. Okay, so this is comma a, semicolon, then you close. Else if, okay, else if what? B is greater than c. Okay, printf percentage d is the greatest number. Okay, which is b. This is over. Else printf percentage d is the greatest number. Okay, then c. This is over. Like this. Then here return 0. Then here you close. So this is the program. Let's run the program and find out how the program is going to be executed. Okay, this is the preprocessor directive int main. This is the main function. The compiler is going to enter into the main function. Now it is in the main function. The first statement is going to be executed. Int a, comma b, comma c. What is this? The declaration of the three variables. Okay, so suppose this is the first variable, this is the second variable, this is the third variable. A, B, C. 100, suppose this is 200, and suppose this is 300. Okay, C. This is going to happen in the computer itself. Printf, enter the three numbers. So this is an instruction. This is part of the output. You are going to see this statement. Enter the three numbers. So this is the output. Suppose the first number you have entered 10, and the second number you have entered 25, and the third number you have entered what? 15. The first number you have entered 10, The first number, the second number you have entered 25, and the third number you have entered 15. So this is the output. This is what you are going to see. So see, the scanf function is going to be executed. So after the execution of this scanf, it means what? The first number that you have entered is going to be directed to what? To A. So 10 will come here. The second number is going to be directed to B. So 25 will come here. The third number is going to be directed to C. So 15 will come here. It's okay. Here we are. Now, if A is greater than B, what is the value of A? A is 10. It's okay. What is the value of B? B is 25. It's okay. See, 10 is greater than 25. 10 is greater than 25. This is false. This is false. So the Boolean value which is going to be generated is what? False is what? Is 0. See, again, A is what? What is A? A is 10. This 10 is greater than C. What is C? 15. 10 is greater than 15. This is false. The Boolean value which is going to be generated for false is what? Is 0. 0 and 0. This is the end, logical AND operator. 0 and 0. It means what? 0 now. It means 0, which is false. If the output now is 0 now, it's false. We are not going to enter into this if. This is not going to be executed. It is going to check for this condition. Else if B is greater than C, what is the value of B? Is 25. What is the value of C? C is 15. Okay, wow. Now 25 is greater than C. True or false? This is true. Okay, wow. So if this is true, the compiler is going to enter inside. Now it is inside. What is going to be printed? Printf percentage D is the greatest number. What is this percentage D? Is B. So 25 here is the greatest number. Okay, this is the output. After the execution of this statement, this is not going to be executed. Okay, then it is going to look for the statements which are outside this else if block. Okay, here there is nothing, so nothing is going to be printed. So this is the output. So this is the working all of this of this program. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next class. Enjoy your day.